everybody and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna do my BOXYCHARM unboxing. Finally I got it and she arrived yesterday, and since it was in the afternoon I couldn't film, so today as soon as I did all my morning stuff I sat down and this is what we got. This is the card that brought the box. It is boxy and chilled. It is really pastel and kind of a girly look. I got 5 items in my box. I was looking forward to this box because I have never tried anything from Tatcha. Tatcha is a luxury brand that everybody's raving about her because of the primer that it retails. I think it is for $52, and with a pea side amount you will have this silky smooth pore feeling, perfect canvas for your makeup application. Because of that I was really looking forward to get this box. It brought this. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Face Mask. The box brought 2 packs. It says here that retails for $24. She's supposed to nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Skin quenching serum and important and instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, algae instantly restore skin health and radiance. So this is a miracle worker in a pack. And the instructions say to apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably. Leave on for 15 minutes, then peel off and massage remaining serum into skin so I don't have to rinse it off. It has a lemon kind of scent. I'm going to apply this to my face. Now I will see you in 15 minutes. The 15 minutes have already passed and now I'm gonna take this off, and then it says that you have to massage this into your skin. Well, my skin looks glowy, but usually that's the case when I apply something that is moisturizing or hydrating to my skin. But it feels good. It's a little bit tacky to the touch. So far, I'm really liking it. I don't have any idea if by using it more you can actually see some difference. Now we're gonna jump to the makeup part of this video. I'm gonna start by prepping my face and do all the complexion stuff. And then I'm gonna come back to do my eyebrows, my eye look, and my lips because I have product for that. I have done my entire complexion and now I'm gonna go for brows. I have a product for that in my BOXYCHARM. It is this. This is the $1 Million Brow Universal Brow Pencil. This is supposedly to be specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. This retails for $18. So let's see how we manage to do this because I have really dark eyebrows. Now I'm gonna start filling my eyebrows, and so far I think this shade is really light for me, but I'm gonna keep on using it. It's really creamy as it claims. Pointy end helped me a lot to do my arch. Now I'm doing the filling part. I'm gonna use the spoolie end of it to buff the product into my eyebrow. So far I think it is like a medium to light brown, and I don't like it much for my really dark brown eyebrows, but it does look nice because they don't accentuate much. I don't know if it is me or this really self-adjusts, but I could swear that now the first eyebrow that I drew, which is my right one, I think the shade has darkened a little bit. So in the claiming that it self-adjusts, I'm gonna give it that to it. This is the other product that I got in my BOXYCHARM. This is the Tarte Limited-Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. This one retails for $36 and this is vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette. It features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude. This is the only matte that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lid. I'm not sure if it does all what it claims, but I do really need more than 1 matte shade in my palettes. But these shades are lovely, all of them. This is going to make me do a really soft and girly, sweet, cute eye look. Let's right jump to it. I have already primed my eyelids with one of the regular eyeshadow primers that I would use. So I'm gonna use the only matte shade that this palette brings. It is named Tiki. It doesn't have any fallout. I'm gonna try to build this one up as much as I can. I'm applying it a little bit higher than my natural crease, and this literally is my skin shade. It doesn't show much, as you can probably appreciate at this moment, because I'm really digging into the pan and applying it in my eye, and it doesn't show. I think I'm gonna go to the darkest shade that I have here, which is this one, Malibu, and I will try to apply this in my crease. And I'm gonna use this Luxie 121 to help me be precise where I'm going to place this shadow. Also, I changed my mind a little bit. I'm gonna apply it as well in my outer corner to help me get a little bit of definition to this eye look. So I'm starting now in my outer corner, placing all the pigment that I can in my outer corner and taking advantage of this little brush. Now I'm gonna start blending it in circular motions, giving my eye a little lift with the application. And now I'm gonna go for what I have left in my brush towards my crease. And I'm giving this kind of a round shape to the application to have that lift situation going on. I'm gonna lift my head a little bit and reapply to intensify this area here and make sure that I don't have any blank space left. I think now I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm gonna start first with this one, Raise. I'm gonna apply it exactly where my first shade ends. So it's going to be technically in the middle of my mobile lid. Then with tapping motions, I'm gonna blend the line between the 2 shades, and that is done. And for the last shade that I'm gonna use in my mobile lid, I think I'm gonna mix Treasure with Escape, these 2 shades here. And as well, I'm gonna use my ring finger, digging into the 2 shades and pressing it towards the space that I had left in my mobile lid, really near my inner corner. And I'm gonna tap it on top of the line that I have with the 2 shades to melt them into one another. Now I'm gonna go for the first shade that I start with, Tiki. I'm going to blend any edge that I may have with these shadows. And to be honest, I have never had so much shimmer in my eyes, as in never in my entire life. I think I'm going to use Heat Wave in my bottom part, and I'm going to apply it from one corner towards the other corner of my eye. And I think that I'm gonna mix it up with the first shade, the darkest one, Malibu, to give a little bit of definition to at least half of my bottom part. One major observation that I have to tell you is that I have used 6 shades from this palette, and there is no kickback or fallout from any of the pans. That is really strange. You will need something else to complement this palette, but she is really nice, and the shimmer has a lot of payoff and a lot of power stains so far. I have none fallout in my face, so that is another plus from this palette. I'm gonna cheat because I need to use at least a liner or something for this. I'm going to tight line, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I think I'm gonna go for falsies as well to give a little bit more to my eye look, and then we're gonna come back. I have done my entire eyes and I'm really liking how my eyes look, but still I'm trying to work on the fact that I have shimmer in my entire eye look, and that is a new for me, but I'm liking my eyes so far. I did what I said. And also I apply falsies. I did the Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna go for the other product that I got. This is from Ofra. Ofra does the best liquid lipstick in the market, in my opinion. And this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick, delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and feels in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin E and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. This retails for $20 and I really like the shade. This is Havana Nights. As always, I'm gonna start with my Cupid's bow. Oh, I really like in this shade. I'm gonna go for my sides. Now my bottom, first the center, and now the sides. And the last product that I got in my BOXYCHARM is this Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It brings 2 ounces. This effectively restores your hair softness, malleability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo Roscaro's Milk Spray, infused with the signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisturizing, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Briogeo is my favorite hair brand for everything, shampoo, conditioner. They do everything perfect. It is a little bit pricey, but you really do get what you pay for. So this is awesome. I'm gonna use it when I wash my hair, and I will let you know how my hair likes it, because I'm sure that it would like it and I will like it myself. My entire BOXYCHARM is $110 and I only paid $21 for the subscription. I really like my January BOXYCHARM, first of all because I got a Briogeo product, second of it because I got to try one of the Tatcha products and it was good. I forgot to tell you that I made a pause when I was doing this video to pick up my kid, and when I looked my face in the rear view mirror, I really saw the luminosity that my skin had that I couldn't appreciate while I was here filming. So it really does what it claims to do, that cheat mask. I really like in the end result. I like my eye look and I like this really bumpy lips, and I think that is why I like it, because I have a really soft eye look with this really bold lip. So sweets, this is the entire look. I hope you like it, and if you did, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.